Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ and this is mini ಕಥೆಗಳು series and we are in a third story. ಮೂರನೇ ಕಥೆ. I hope you have seen the last two stories in a mini ಕಥೆಗಳು series. If not, I leave the link here. Please do go check out the first two stories in a mini ಕಥೆಗಳು series, which is a very simple and very easiest one. So today we'll make it little challenging for us, a little challenging for us. So what we will be doing a little bit a twist than the first two. So in the first two, what did I do? I started with a 3-line story. Then slowly we went to the 4-line story. Then was a 5-line story. So this was the format that we followed in our first two stories. Eradu kate. So ivattu today the moorane kate hegirutte andre I will be doing a 3-line matte 4-line story and I'll give you homework for the 5-line stories. The last one story will be the homework for you. What you will do, you will translate that to Kannada, translate madi, and also the most important thing, I'll give you the vocabulary. So you shouldn't feel that you are lost somewhere without a vocabulary. Illa, okay na? So you will be having a vocabulary. So please make me promise that you will not use Google Translate or ChatGPT to get the answers. If you do that, I will get to know instantly. I can make it out. Any teacher can make it out that you are taking help from the internet. Anta. So I request you all, do not take a support from the reference from the internet. Instead, you can go and check the dictionary, get the words, try something. Even there is a mistake, that's fine. But no Google Translate, no ChatGPT. Okay na? So you should promise me. So this promise is, it's very ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮನಸಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. So no cheating. Okay, fine. So let's start with the today's lesson. Before starting with the today's lesson, I sincerely apologize for the any kind of a background noise that there is some construction work going on. So there will be a little bit of a background noise. I'm really sorry for that one. Please bear with me. Let's start with the today's story. Ivattina story is eagle, which is called Haddu, and tree. What is tree? Everyone know tree andre? Yes, tree andre mara. So Haddu mattu mara. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ 3-line ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಸೇ, ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರೀ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್? ಬಿಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಯು ರೈಟ್ there was? Mara plus ittu, right? How can I combine that one now? Mara, if you are a very beginner to the in Kannada age ನೀವು ತುಂಬ beginner ಇದ್ರೆ, you can write Mara ittu. If you're now you are well advanced and if you know very well, then don't write Mara ittu. This is for first standard, second standard, or anyone who is a beginner. You can try this. But if not, you will write Mara vittu. Mara plus ittu, mara vittu, vakaragama sandhi. Agama sandhi, vakaragama sandhi. Okay? So, there was a big tree. Vandu dodda mara ittu. I'll continue this. We'll make a 3-line. I told you it's little challenging today. Yes. In the forest. So, where was the big tree? Forest andre? Kaadu. Do not write vana. Vana is also correct. Aranya is also correct. Kanana. These are the samanarthaka pada, synonyms, okay? Forest is kaadu. In the forest, kaadu plus alli. Vandu kaadu alli. Baritiva ನಾವು? You would write, what do you write? Kaadu plus alli will become kaadinalli. Kaadinalli. Okay? So how would you write now? ಒಂದು ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರ ಇತ್ತು, or ಒಂದು ಮರವಿತ್ತು. At the end of the video, you will get the stories in the picture. So do not jump into right now. I want you to write. So I am not writing in Kannada. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತಿಲ್ಲ. I am telling you very slowly. I want you to write in Kannada. Okay na? So I told you there is a little challenging that happens from today, from this series onwards, from this episode. So this is a challenge. You will write, I will dictate. Okay? ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ, sorry, ಒಂದು ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮರ ಬಿತ್ತು. ಮರವಿತ್ತು. If you are comfortable, if not, ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. This is my first sentence. We'll go with the second sentence ಇವಾಗ. This is my first level story. This is my first level story. Okay? Next. A wise eagle. So what is eagle? Eagle already ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So wise ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? So wise ಅಂದರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ. I already write ಒಂದು eagle. An eagle was there. I know that. So let me make it little bit different. A wise eagle. ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು. A wise eagle. ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು. Lived on tree. So lived on tree. What is on tree? ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ. So what is live? ವಾಸ ಮಾಡು. ವಾಸ ಮಾಡು or ವಾಸಿಸು. Remember these verbs. Okay. So I would say ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. It was living. Or ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. How do you write? ವಾ ಸಿ ಸು ತಿಗೆತಾವತ್ತು ತುಗೆತಾವತ್ತು. If not this, ವಾಸ ಮಾ ಡು ತಿಗೆತಾವತ್ತು ತುಗೆತಾವತ್ತು. Now I'll change this one. Instead of on tree, I'll write lived on a tree branch or the branch of a tree. What is branch? Branch of a tree. Branch of a tree is kombe. So how do you write a tree branch? Tree branch andrenu marada kombe. So how do you write now? ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು. Write it down. ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ. ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ. You can write this or this. ವಾಸಿಸುತ್ತಿತ್ತು or ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. So we done with the 2 lines. Okay. We'll go with the 3rd line. They became good friends. What is friends? Friends is ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. Good. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ. They become. They became. What is they? ಅವರು. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. So became is basically ಆದರು. ಅವನು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯನಾದನು. He became a good person. ಆ ಥರ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಡು ಐ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್? ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದರು ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. Which will be ಲೋಪಸಂಧಿ. Anyone who is in a 7th or 8th, above 5th grade, please try to remember these sandhis. Okay, na? Okay. So this is our first story. There was a big tree in the forest. A wise eagle lived on a branch of a tree or a tree branch. They became good friends. ಒಂದು ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತ ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಅವರು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. So this is my first story. I leave it here, take a picture and write it down all the words. Before we go to the second story, make sure you revise the first story. I hope you have written the first story. Every time when you write, you have an activity. You will send it to me, yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. Email ID, you will send me whatever you have written. Okay, na? Fine. So here we completed the first story. Now let's go to the second story. Ella words, vocabulary, keep it with you. Okay? Second story, Parana. So second story, the first one, first line is, in a big forest. I'll erase this one. there was a tall tree. See, now it's not a big tree, it's a tall tree. So what is big? Big is dodda namige gottu. I'll erase this one as well. I hope you remember. So big is dodda namige gottu. What is tall? Tall is ettara. A tage tavattu ra. Write it down. Ettara. A tage tavattu ra. Ettara. In a big forest. We know that in a big forest, you know, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, very simple, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, a big tree, there was a big tree. Instead of a big tree, sorry, we will write tall tree. ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರವಾದ, ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. You can't write ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. So again, ಮರವಿತ್ತು or ಮರ ಇತ್ತು. We'll go to the second one now. The second line is an eagle built a nest on the branch of that tree. See, what is that we want now? Build. Build is kattu. Build is kattu. What is nest? Nest is goodu. Nest is goodu. So what do I write? So this one you already know. On the branch of the tree, you know. Marada kombeya mele. Get it from the previous. Marada kombeya mele. On the branch of the tree. Marada kombeya mele. Kombe is a branch. You already know. We have to just work on this. An eagle built a nest. ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು, always remember makla, the verb has to come at the end of the sentence. Your pronoun or noun will come in the beginning of the sentence. So what is the verb in this sentence? The verb in this sentence is a built. So always the verb at the end. So one more trick that for you to remember, always try to translate the sentences in your mother tongue. I hope your mother tongue is not English. If it is English, then it's quite challenging. You have to go with a reference with any other Indian language like Hindi or anything. Hindi you will have in your school. So because of that, I am choosing Hindi. If your English is your mother tongue, you can choose Hindi. It will be in your school. If not, if your mother tongue will be Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, Odissi, whatever the language, take help from that. Okay, na? Only then it will be very easy, very, very easy for you to translate. Okay, so now what I'll do, so do not translate like ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು ಗೂಡು ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ. No, ಬರಲ್ಲ. That is not the right way. So ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು, write it down. ಬರೀರಿ. ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ. We made a mistake here. That tree. What is that tree? A mara. So you would write ಒಂದು ಹದ್ದು. ಆ ಮರದ. Before add a. ಆ ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು. ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು. Built a nest. ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು. We'll go with the next one. The next one is the eagle. An eagle watched the animals. Eagle watched the animals playing. This is completely new sentence for us. Under the tree. Okay. What is under? Under is kelage. Under the tree. So what is on the tree? Marada mele. Under the tree. Marada kelage. Remember, on the tree. Marada mele. Under the tree. Marada kelage. Marada mele. Marada kelage. Marada mele. Marada kelage. Yes. Under the tree. Marada kelage. Animals, ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು. Animal is prani. Animals is ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಬಹುವಚನ, ಏಕವಚನ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್, ಬಹುವಚನ ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್. Watched. Watch or see is ನೋಡು. ನೋಡು. So what is the main verb here? Play is also verb here. Playing is also verb, but the main verb is eagle is watching. That is the verb. Okay. ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ, ಹದ್ದು, write it down. ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಟ ಆಡು or ಆಟವಾಡು. Okay, playing. ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನು. I'm helping with this. Animals were playing. ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನು watched. ನೋಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ನೋಡು ತಿಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು, ತುಗೆ ತಾವತ್ತು. ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಆಟ ಆಡುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, welcome to the last sentence of the second level. This is our second level. The last sentence is the tree and mattu eagle. The tree and an eagle became, this is again same sentence from the first story, good friends. Mara mattu, write it down. Mara mattu haddu, you take it from the first story. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. Okay, so the story is, in a big forest there was a tall tree. ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಮರವಿತ್ತು. An eagle built a nest on the branch of that tree. ಹದ್ದು ಮರದ ಕೊಂಬೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಗೂಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು or ಗೂಡನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿತು. Very precise this one. The eagle watched the animals playing under the tree. ಹದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಆಟವಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು. Watched is ನೋಡಿತು. Sorry, it's not ನೋಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು, it's ನೋಡಿತು. It watched, ನೋಡಿತು. If it was watching ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The tree and the eagle became good friends. ಹದ್ದು, ಮರ ಮತ್ತು ಹದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಾದರು. ಓಕೆನಾ? So this is our second story. Make a note, take a picture of this one, keep it with you, make a note of this. I hope you have written the answers in Kannada. Okay, so do send it to me in Kannada, yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com. It's not ending here. There is one more story for you, which is an activity for you, which is a little bigger story. It's a paragraph. I have given you the vocabulary. Please use Madi. Vocabulary use Madi. Go and check these first story, second story. Take a reference and do translate. As I requested, please do not use ChatGPT. Matte Google Translation use ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರೆದು yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com ಗೆ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. If you have any doubt, please do let me know. Make sure you share this with your friend. Let them also learn how to write stories. Stories are like a foundation for you to write the paragraph, ಗಾದೆ, ಟಿಪ್ಪಣಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು. So this is like a very good foundation, very strong foundation. This can be used by anyone who are starting with your journey with Kannada learning. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the one more video. So one more episode. We also have a essay writing series. We also have a Gade writing series. We have this story writing series. You will get all these in a different playlist, and also you have a grammar playlist. Please do check all the playlists that is available in Yashasvi Kannadavani. Also there are e-books that is being launched from Yashasvi Kannadavani. You can make a use of all those e-books. Everything, the link is there in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and be helpful with that one. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Namaskara.